In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple Google Chrome profiles. It's a straightforward process, but sticking with me through the full guide will ensure you don't miss any key steps. First, let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to avoid any inconsistencies or errors during this process. Once you're in Chrome, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should be able to see a profile icon, usually represented by a circle or an avatar picture of your account. Go ahead and click on this icon, which will open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Manage Profiles, or simply Manage People, depending on your version of Chrome. This is the section where all your Chrome profiles are housed, and it's the control hub for adding or deleting these profiles. Click on Manage Profiles and you'll be directed to a new view that visually represents each of the profiles you have set up. Here's a quick tip before we continue. If you have any data you need to keep from these profiles, make sure to back it up because deleting a profile is permanent and cannot be undone. Consider syncing important bookmarks, passwords, or settings to another account or device. Now let's move on to the deletion process. In the Manage Profiles screen, you will see an option to remove profiles. It might be represented by 3 dots or another form of a menu next to each profile's card. Click on this option for the profile you want to delete. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete this user. It's a safety step to ensure that you don't accidentally remove something you might need later. Confirm your choice by clicking on Remove or Delete. Let's take a moment here to be cautious. Make sure you really want to delete these profiles, as doing so will erase all local data associated with them from your device, including passwords, bookmarks, and other personal settings. If you're sure, proceed with confidence. Keep repeating these steps for each profile you wish to remove. Remember to double-check as you go through them to ensure the correct profiles are selected for deletion. As you trim down your list, your browser can become more streamlined, which might improve your overall browsing experience. After completing the deletions, close and then reopen your Google Chrome to ensure changes take effect fully. You should see fewer profile options when you click on the profile icon. This indicates that the unwanted profiles have been successfully removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple Google Chrome profiles. By following these steps, you've managed to regain organization and possibly improve your browsing efficiency. I hope this guide was helpful. And feel free to reach out in the comments below if you have further questions or need additional assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.